Hello friends, today I'm going to explain how to do intermediate chord generation. This is one of the part of the compiler which gives an output as three address code. Three address code is one of the output of intermediate chord generation. So let's see how it is done. Now I'm just importing java.io.start and my class name is experimental, and this is my function here. You can see it here. It is a private static structure. Precedence. Then I have one more it check precedent. I'm checking the precedent. This is used for check precedent. I'm taking the each character as a token, and I'm checking it here for int I equal to 0 for each second. If it is precedence, like if it is plus minus or something, I'm checking it here. So dot length, and if it is plus, it returns return the integer at next one to it. That is I plus 1. So depending on these are my precedents, so depending on this it will give 1 or 2. So this is how I this is checking the precedence here. I'm checking the precedence, which precedent is used. It is plus or minus or star or division. So we have total 4. I combined star and plus plus and minus into 1 and star and division into 2. So now here I open my main function here. You can check it out. This is my main function here. Int ij out. On this I initialize some of the variables here: integer variables, characters, and boolean variables, and character array. It's an 2D array, and reader buffer.in is used to take the input from the user. Next, I am printing under any expression from the user. Checks process new boolean dot length. So here I am reading actually. From the user I'm reading the input. Then check process equal to new boolean expression dot length for I equal to 0 less than check process dot length I plus plus. Check process I'm checking if it is, I'm turning the check process first one as false. So this is my check process, these are boolean. So for each one I'm putting as false. So next I'll be changing into 2. And for the each length I'm taking each token at it, each character at it, and then next I'm doing with the precedence. If precedence token, if the token equal to that plus or minus, I'm checking it. Then I'm storing it in the operator depending on the how many operators the users give. Next, depending on the users op count, the op count which you got in the before for loop, then check the check precedence here is greater than check. These are precedence, right? Like 1 and 2 are 2 precedence, plus minus one thing, and star and division have one more thing. So if division comes, it will be have a higher priority because we have already defined the precedence before there. So here I'm checking which precedent is more. So depending on the precedence I'm storing it here. So I'm temporarily storing it here, and I'm storing this one to next operator, and the next operator to temp. So and that temp to next one, and the next one to I plus 1, and this is how I'm swapping from the operators from one operator to another operator. Next I'm printing, I'm going for the next line and printing the output here. So here I'm printing the output. If integer, I'm changing it to integers values. String operator 1 equal to operator 2. These are two strings I initialize here. If it is equal to true, then I'm checking it this. If precedence is equal to the precedence which is already given, I'm putting as t and the value from the user. I is a token value, right? Before we have stored it I as a token value. And else it is I'm changing it, and if j minus 2 is equal to this, I have initialized op equal to t plus x plus 1 and space. Else I'm just putting the same character is there. Next I am checking with the next operator j plus 2 if it is at x1. So for everything I'm checking it, and I'm storing it here, and I am printing the whole expression here. So this is how we can print it. I'll just run this code, and let's say this code. a plus b, then give it as star a plus b star c. So here first it is division because the higher precision. Then next is a and t1. So this is how we can using Java program we can create an intermediate pod.